Okay, so we're gonna do a McDonald's prank call, man. So what's the number? A minute, let me do star 67.
It's different from ours, but it's 916-728-2300. 2300.
Okay. Dude, this is gonna be awesome. Okay. It's calling.
Hi, you've reached the offices of Foreign Family Restaurant. We're either on the other line or stepped out of the office just for a bit. Please.
Stupid McDonald's. Okay, give me another one. I need another McDonald's number. Stupid McDonald's. There's one right there. You can call Kentucky Fried Chicken. No. Oh, dude, isn't that like the same one?
No.
Okay. So let's call star 67. Okay, give me the number.
916 984 6305.
6305? Okay. Jack Black soundboard. Okay, no laughing.
They're gonna help you?
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu. You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Yeah.
Just can you give me just 4 nuggets? Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away.
Well,
I'm just wanting a 4-nugget thing. I'm trying to watch my calorie intake.
we had a 6-piece. We had a 4-piece, but in a mini meal.
And I'm gonna go with a fillet of fish sandwich.
So, can you just come at the store then? Because
You fucking dick!
hey, what's your language?
You fucking shit!
They hung up on me. Dude, that's freaking awesome.